Irish. St. Patrick may have driven the snakes out of Ireland, but the old serpent in several of his Protean changes has been back for a nip of John Jameson on several occasions. In Ireland, he speaks with a brogue as soft and easy as peat smoke on a misty morning, attends the Irish sweepstakes, and often confers with Oliver St. John Cogarty in A Land of Leprechauns, and Little People, and Irish Republicans. He easily passes as a logical and three-dimensional fellow, not in the least a figment of the imagination. The following tale by W. Carleton makes use of a diabolical basic of the three wishes. In other forms, and with different color, the story is found in German, Russian, and American folklore. It would be unfair to state that Billy Dawson was the only rogue who has ever outwitted the devil, or who has been refused a comfortable and familiar eternity in hell. Dawson's shocking experience is not to be construed as evidence of an Irish exclusion act in the nether regions. Is that the one about you carry around the turnip? Or and sweepstakes? Well, of course, gambling, right? Because intoxicants and gambling are the devil's playground, as you could say.